Good morning, students. Now, let's see how metals and non-metals react with acids. Most metals react with acids to form salts and hydrogen gas. Now, what is salt? See, the salt depends upon the metal and the acid involved in the reaction. If metal is reacting with hydrochloric acid, it will give metal chloride as a salt and release hydrogen. If metal is reacting with sulfuric acid, it will form metal sulfate as a salt and hydrogen. And if metal is reacting with nitric acid, it will form metal nitrate as a salt and release hydrogen. Let's learn it with an example. Take a metal, say magnesium, and an acid, suppose hydrochloric acid. And as I told you, what will form? A salt and hydrogen. See, in this reaction, magnesium chloride is the salt formed. How it is formed? When magnesium during its reaction with acid replaces hydrogen from acid and take its place and forms magnesium chloride. So now you will able to define salt. What is salt? Salt is a compound which is formed when metal replaces hydrogen in an acid. Now let's learn the reaction of metals and non-metals with acid by an activity. Students, take 6 test tube and label it as A, B, C, D, E and F and add some metals and non-metals in all these test tubes. As in A test tube, put some magnesium ribbon. Then in B test tube, add some aluminium foil. In C, put some iron nails in it. And in D, add some copper turnings. In E and F, put some non-metals like charcoal powder, and in the last one, sulfur powder. Now add some dilute sulfuric acid, say 5 ml in each test tube, one by one. Observe the test tube very carefully and you will find some bubbles in the test tube A and B. This indicates the metal, magnesium and aluminium have reacted with hydrochloric acid. But you will find that there is no change in test tube C, D, E and F. Students, it doesn't mean that these elements are not reacting. Now, if they are not reacting, what we will do? We will supply heat to them and we will observe what will happen. So, on supplying heat, do you find any change? Yes, bubbles are seen in test tube C. So, we can say that now iron also starts reacting with acid. But even after heating, there is no change in test tube D, E and F. It means that elements like copper, charcoal and sulfur have not reacted with hydrochloric acid. Students, you find that in test tube A, B and C, some bubbles are occurring. Bubble formation are taking place. Na? What are they? See, bubble formation indicates the release of gas. But which gas is releasing here is still unknown to us. So, as it is colorless and odorless, so to check it, we will bring a burning candle near the test tube. We will find that we will able to hear the pop sounds. This indicates that the gas releases hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas has the property of burning with pop sound. You can repeat the same activity by using sulfuric acid and you will find the reactions as follows. I told you in the starting also, depend upon the acid, the metal salt is going to be formed. So here also when magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride as salt. And when it react with sulfuric acid, it forms magnesium sulfate as salt. In the same manner, aluminium when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms aluminium chloride as a salt and when it react with hydrochloric that sulfuric acid, it will form aluminium sulfate as a salt. Similarly, when iron react with hydrochloric acid, it forms iron chloride as a salt, and when it react with sulfuric acid, it forms iron sulfate as a salt, and in all these cases hydrogen is releasing. Students, you will find that copper does not react with hydrochloric acid, but it react with sulfuric acid and form copper sulfate as a salt and releases hydrogen. By this activity, you will also conclude that non-metals do not react with acids, as you will find that till last or even after supplying heat also, charcoal and sulfur are not going to react with any of the acids. Next, reaction of metal with bases. Metals, when react with bases, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Let's do an activity. Take freshly prepared sodium hydroxide solution by dissolving sodium pellets in water and add a piece of aluminium foil in it. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. You will find that the gas produced burns with a pop sound, showing the release of hydrogen gas. And last, reaction of non-metal with bases. Students, most of the non-metals when react with bases, they used to have the complex reactions, and no hydrogen gas is produced when non-metal react with bases. Thank you.